In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts in Clickfunnels 2.0. Let's start right inside your Clickfunnels 2.0 dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Site and Blog App. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your website and blog-related tools live. Once that section opens, choose Blog from the menu. That will take you to the main blog area where you can manage all of your posts in one place. Now that you're in the blog section, you should see a page listing any existing posts. At the top, there will be a button labeled New Blog Post. Click that to start creating a fresh article. As soon as you do, ClickFunnels will open the post details page, which is where you set up the core information about your blog post before you start designing the content. On the post details page, begin by entering a strong descriptive title. This is what your readers will see first, so make it clear and engaging. Below that, you'll see a field for the summary. Use this area to write a short overview that highlights the key points of your post. Think of it as a quick snapshot that helps visitors decide if they want to read more. Next, add a featured image. This image will visually represent your blog post across your site, and when it's shared, so choose something that reflects the topic and looks good at different sizes. Scroll down to the SEO and sharing section. Here, you can set an SEO page title, ideally under 60 characters, and an SEO page description under 160 characters. These show up in search engine results, so keep them concise and keyword focused. You'll also see the current path field, where you can set the URL for your post. Keep it short, readable, and relevant to the topic. You can then assign an author from the drop-down or create a new author profile if needed. After that, choose a category to keep your blog organized, especially as you publish more content. Finally, add tags that relate to the post. Tags are case-insensitive and help with internal organization and search. Once your details look good, it's time to add the actual content. Back on your post, click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the page editor on the right side. Here you can build out your blog using sections, rows, and elements. Add your headings, paragraphs, images, and any other elements you want, and adjust the layout until it matches the style of your site. When you're happy with everything, click Save Changes to make sure none of your work is lost. If you're ready for the post to go live, toggle the Publish option. You can also choose a future date to schedule it, which is useful for planning content in advance. If you're still working on it and not quite ready to show it to the world, select Convert to Draft so you can come back and finish it later without publishing.